the bacons. In this night, there was only 2 bacons, and everybody started singing the song. Cause these bacons are just training to be for escape. But somehow they kept training and they made it to success. Everybody was so jealous. Everybody is breaking a bone. Cause this game it is so hard. I the bacon. The eye of the bacons. The eye of the bacons. Eye of the bacons. Eye of the bacons. And eye of the bacons. Dun 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 dun. And this night, there was a bacon that was so crazy. Dun, dun, dun. The eye of the bacon was shining red, 'cause it was so mad. It was trying to win, and not to fail in their life. But that was a big cap, so they kept on training. They kept on training forever. Of the bacon. I hope you guys like my singing. That took me hours to do, by the way. That's Cat, by the way. Be quiet, Mr. Frog outside, whatever your name is. Anyways, today we're gonna be trying to beat medium and yeah, all this stuff. Come on. Come on, we can do this. Please wait. 2 players need to escape. Just die already, man. I don't care if you need to escape. You should just die. Cause yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm going to I'm going to thank you guys for 10 subscribers on YouTube because I really appreciate that. And I just wanted to do Flood Escape because Roblox has, I've been playing Roblox a lot. And I haven't played the game. So I decided to play it. Yes, I have played this game, but I've not beaten one of them. Beat it. That's not even a word. What am I saying? Excuse me. Yeah. So yeah, I've never beaten one of these modes, so I finally beat one. And yeah, let's do this. All right. Just on this thing. What was I? Oh yeah, I was doing correct thing. Sorry, I forgot what I was doing. All right, I think we can do this. Yeah, this is probably gonna be easy and simple. I feel like we can do this for a shot. All right, let me go on my come on. That's not how you spell come, by the way. So if you want to know how to spell come, it's C-U-M-E. If you're like a like a child, which like you're probably like a baby. So yeah, that's how you spell come. So, come on! Anyways. I'm not gonna die in this one. This one seems pretty. Honestly, it does really look easy. Yeah, I don't know what to do, but, oh, gosh. I don't know what to do. Dang it! Oh, and we messed it up. We messed this stupid level up. That doesn't make any sense, right? Whatever. Now, Gay Plaza, Gato Galeta, say hi to YouTube. It's gonna censor it. What? Look, it censored it. That's how annoying this is. YouTube's not bad. Like, I don't understand. Anyways. Alright. This is a risky jump. But come on. Are you literally serious? Oh my god! I just joined this game! I went completely like mute on that. Like, that's crazy. Alright. I don't know what to do. Because I'm still trying to figure out how to beat this. Come on, do this. Do this, baby. Let's go. How do you fall? Oh, never mind. You're supposed to fall. Wow. Alright, this one seems pretty. I don't know why people thought that if you go that way, you don't. I mean, you're supposed to go that way, but kind of did it wrong. So. There's a risk, but not a good one. Let's go. No! I risked that. I risked that for so many dumb people. Oh my gosh. I'm actually starting to get so angry. I'm actually banging on my bed. Jeez. Oh my god. Jeez. I'm getting like more and mad every single time I die. I mean, of course. I mean, wouldn't you get mad? I mean, I don't know. Maybe if you're like, I don't know, actually. Oh, gosh. Just, 7 minutes and 40 seconds, jeez. Like, that's how much time it's been right now. It's crazy. And I'm correct. See? 7:51, 7:52, 7:53, 7:54, 7:55, 7:56, 7:57, 7:58, 7:59. 8 minutes. 8 minutes has been passed. It's just 8 minutes and 7 seconds. So, this is crazy. And this video will be 5 minutes and 12 seconds. I can read like YouTube's mind when I'm gonna like stop, and that's when I'm gonna stop. I mean, of course. When is this gonna play? I don't think we're gonna beat this today, because I'm actually gonna flip out. Come on, get your radio on. It's Friday night. This guy again. We're having like everyone. This time we have to win. We have to win this time. We have a big old squad. I'm not gonna risk, because I'm not like last time. We need to get gravity coils. The next video, we need to get gravity coils. Come on. Somebody press that button. I actually don't know where we're going now. No. Where are we going now? I actually don't know. No. I'm not dying. I'm dying. Surely that jump is possible, right? Come on. Oh my god! I'm about to freaking out. I'm about to freak out. Freaking game! Jeez! I'm about to quit. Like, this is insane. Like, oh my god. Okay, please help. Oh my god. I don't even care about what it just said, but whatever. I am just so mad. I'm really mad. I'm flipping out. I'm so mad that I can't even show how mad I am. I actually don't know what to do anymore. I'm actually gonna flip out. I really am getting mad. I'm getting so mad. I'm getting so mad. I could break a wall. Yeah, I could break a wall. Yeah. I could break a wall. That's what I'm telling you. That's how mad I am. But I'm not gonna break this wall because I bet it's expensive, man. I can't even break the wall, man. That'd be impossible for me, actually. I would not be able to do that. Jeez. Alright, it starts now. Got this big man death, Maya, Bunny Yellow, and XX cookies. Don't make me want to eat, because I love cookies. And that sounds kind of weird, because he's like a demon ghost. So I don't understand why I said I would eat you, because I don't know. It's because of the name cookies. I don't know if you guys get it. Whatever. Come on. Alright. Danger. I mean, honestly, this game's, horrible, horribly hard. It's just so, painful. Come on. Someone pressed that button already? The red one? Alright. Oh, alright, anyways. Who cares? Alright. I bet we can do it this way. We can do it. This is it. That doesn't make any sense though. Because it's saying that it's the end of it. No. Don't know. Get out of here, Bacon. Oh my god. This game is so freaking hard. Well, at least I made progress. I mean, I did make progress. I have to say, I did make progress. I'm happy, but this game is just so hard. I don't know what to do. It's so difficult. It's really difficult. Really difficult. Alright? It's difficult. Jeez. Most importantly, have fun escaping the flood. I'm not having fun. I keep on dying. That's how, annoying this is. I'm about to flip out. I'm actually about to flip out. Come on, you coconut. I don't even know what that is. Is that even a coconut? Who actually cares? Let's go this way, because I'm pretty sure that's the correct way. She's going the wrong way. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you actually doing? No, I need a partner in this. And you're not just leaving. You're not leaving me. She already died. I'm actually getting mad. I'm getting so mad. Come on. No, no. Come on.